Hello, hello, hello. Live stream number 19. Let's go, let's go. Right. If you were following along from yesterday, I did win my odd NZD trade and my Euro GBP is actually excuse me, it's actually still going. We got John Doe in the building. Yeah, I won the first one, and the second one is actually still going. So I'll show you those in a second. I gotta get set up here. Info, how's it going? Are you back above water? I hope so. It's today, 15th. Will be the 15th. Okay, bunch of news again at 5:30 again. Man. There's been some slim pickings in the market these days, man. Okay. So anyways, here's the trade from yesterday. As you can see, this trade took forever to go through, but it finally did go through right over here. So I'm not really sure how long that is. It's like 7 hours. Yeah, it was like a 7-hour trade. So yeah, it took a while, but it went through. Nice 3 reward there. Very happy. Very happy. %8 drawdown. Yeah, I mean, that's not that bad, really. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not like you're down 50% or anything like that. You can always get out of any drawdown, just compounding. Better if you don't get underwater like that in the first place, but you can at least get yourself out. Make sure all my sounds are working here. Make sure to hit the like button, everybody. Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. I thought you meant like 0.8% drawdown. Yeah, you're pretty far down there, buddy. Damn, so you made it all the way to the verification and then got yourself underwater like that? Oof. Well, I would suggest you just take my take my compounding formulas and make like a really small one and just try to slowly work it at least back to zero. I mean, if you're on the verification stage, you have 60 days to do it in, so you can at least get back to zero. At least try to do that so you can at least do it over. Yeah, even if you do a $10 compound cycle, that's $630 on the 3 reward version. So, you know, just take it really low and just try to work your way out of it. And like I said, if you get back to zero, you can at least start over. But yeah, if you were able to get yourself down that low in such a short amount of time, I hate to say it, but you might not be ready. You know, you really shouldn't be doing things like that, because just imagine if you got the funded account and you did something like that. You know, you can't be doing stuff like that. Gotta be mentally ready to be able to handle working with large amounts of money. We've all been there. Any successful trader went through a time where they weren't that successful. Made mistakes. It happens. Okay. So I'm looking for yeah, I think once again the dollar trade or dollar pairs are not going to be very easy to trade. That is my prediction. Unless it just comes down like it's actually supposed to do. The trade that I'm still in, the let's see, stop loss is I believe here. Let's see, 88.40 was 0.7. Yeah, so the stop loss is like right there. So yeah, it's not, it doesn't look bad, it doesn't look good either. I think the entry's like down in here somewhere. So I might just go for like break even on that one. But luckily I won my other trade, so even if I do lose this one, I'll still be up for yesterday. So it was still a successful day regardless. I should have took this short trade here. Let's see. Man, yesterday was so crazy. Okay. Yeah, I should have took this here. This was a pretty decent trade here. Like a 9 pip stop loss. What's that? 27 pip take profit. That was the other half decent trade from yesterday, but I didn't get into that one, so it's all good. I should have, and I talked about getting into it. I didn't pull the trigger on that one. It's all good. It's all good. Oops. Yeah, so hopefully Um, oh, this looks pretty good here. Okay. So yeah, we're still in this weird time zone change thing. Our time zone has changed over here in the Americas, and England's time zone has not changed yet. So it's a very... This is not bad here either. This is pretty... I might actually get into this one. Let's see the UCAD. This is not bad here either. Okay, we got some halfway decent looking trades here. The UCAD short, the NZDU long. Those are both looking pretty good. You can probably go long here on gold. What's Bitcoin up to? All right. Little bit of movement on Bitcoin. Check the cross pairs. Nothing going on over there. This is coming down, which is great. Hell, if I can just get out of this trade, at least I won't have a loss on that one. So we'll see what happens there. But yeah, yesterday was a successful day, so I'm happy about that. It means this week I am at a profit so far, pretty decent profit too. Odd NZD, I don't really know what to do with this today. I'll probably leave that one alone today. The G Yen looks to possibly be going up. That might be a possibility. Same over here. E Yen, same thing. Same thing here. Same thing here. Yeah, the yen pairs might be going up. That looks like a pretty good possibility. They do have a level they have to break through. Yeah, other than that, we're looking for the dollar to come down. I just don't know if it's actually gonna do that. And the dollar has been like really unreliable these last couple of days, so I'm not sure if I want to put my money on it. I don't think so. I don't think I do. Okay, got 10 minutes before the fake open. The first open. We'll call it the first open. The American London Open, and then the London Open. How about that? Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, I might even I wouldn't go short here yet, but there might even be a short on the EGBP. That's also a possibility. About 8 minutes for the open. This trade is good for a one-to-one. I'm thinking it's gonna be either a UCAD short, NZD, U long, or a Euro GBP short, and also the G Yen long. Those are the four I have my eye on right now. And it's gonna be way more than 1-to-1. It's gonna be like 3-to-1, or at least 2-to-1. Hold on one second. Let me grab something and be right back. Once again, this live stream is sponsored by Benadryl and CBD gummies. Yeah, this looks to be coming down pretty heavy. Okay. Well, we have 5 minutes. 5 minutes before the first open. The American London Open, as we're calling it. So yeah, let's see what happens on this open. We got super heavy news at 5:30 again, just like yesterday. So it's very likely that the dollar will be stalled out. That was the case yesterday, and that will probably be the case again today. So we'll see. Going for the super good trades only. A plus, maybe A minus. We're really looking for the A pluses though. Today I would really like just one trade, since it's It's looking a little slim pickings today, but we'll find something today. Definitely find something. This is also a possibility here. Yeah. Okay. Got 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Yeah, definitely try to go for at least 2 reward with your trades. Make it worth your while. Okay. Minute and 20 seconds. I'm thinking the dollar trades actually might be tradable. Or dollar pairs, rather. Yeah, maybe. It all depends. Is the dollar going to actually come down like it should? Or is it going to continue doing crazy things? Got 40 seconds. Yeah. Yep, might be able to go short here. Okay. 15 seconds. Okay, here we go. The first open. All right. Looking for the dollar to come down. That would be the most logical thing. So if that does not happen, then I'm not touching the dollar pairs. Okay. Not fully convinced yet. Not convinced enough to actually get into anything yet. I'd like for this to go up a little bit and then put a red bar in after. If that happens, I'll enter. Feel a little choppy for my taste. And this is not a good sign either. We need this one to be going up and this one to be coming down. That's what we want to see. And yeah, so far that is not happening. John Doe, so far I'm up 4 for the week. 4 reward. So pretty decent. Could have been better, but I'm not mad at it. Okay. All right, actually, I am gonna go short here. Yep. Okay, I'll go ahead and take a short here. Give it a little bit of space. Okay. And I'm only gonna go for 2 reward on this one. The 3 is just a little bit too risky. And I did go with the market order. This is one of those times where that is the move. Okay, so there's that. Okay, there we go. All right, got a short trade here. All right. Am I consistent? Could I live off my trading if I wanted to? Yeah. Yeah, the goal is to be full-time sometime in the next couple months. That's what I would like to do. Took me a while, but I finally got it. Okay, so that's my trade so far. I might move the take profit. That's what we got so far. Might be something over here too. Yeah, it's like 1 1/3. I might move it to like 2 or 3. We'll see. It just depends on what happens here. Like I said, the logical thing would be for the dollar to come down. But the dollar index has not been following logic these past couple of days, so I wouldn't be surprised if it does something else. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . How long would it take to learn my way of trading? Well, if you're not new, I mean, it wouldn't take you very long at all. If you've already been trading for a while. I'd recommend, you know, taking the pieces that you like and incorporating them into your style. Maybe every part of my strategy is not something you'd be into, but I'm sure there's at least something in there that you can take and add to yours. Yeah, dollar should continue coming down. That's my guess here. But like I said, we got that news at 5:30, so it might just be stalled out. What did I base this trade on? So this UCAD short is just based off of the dollar index continuing to go down. So all these other majors with the dollar on the second half should be going up. So that means the UCAD will come down. So that's all I base it off of. Because AUD NZD, I don't see anything over here. Euro GBP, I don't see anything here either. The yens, like I said, these might end up going up, continuing to go up. So there's not much to pick from here. Slim pickings, just like yesterday. But I think this trade is pretty decent. Also a really nice amount of volume, as you can see. So it's not a big trade. And like I said, I don't think it's too wise to go for like more than this amount of reward. I prefer to sell rather than buy. So that's why I picked this one. You could have also went long here. I think that was the other good option. I think those are the best two. So if that's the only one that I get today, I'll be okay with that. Little tiny profit, but still a profit. I'm not going to be able to stay up until 5:30 when all this news happens. Unfortunately. There will come a point where I can trade the London and the New York session when I have time to do that. So yeah, let's actually see the 4-hour daily. Yeah, I'm pretty sure all these at 5:30 are restricted. Let's actually see. Today, Wednesday. Yeah, crude oil. Restricted event. Yeah. Yeah, could I end the week with at least 10%? Yeah, I think so. I'm already at 4. So I'm not too far off. If I get this trade here, I think that puts me let's see. It'll put me at like 5, maybe even 6. And then still got Thursday and Friday. Yeah. Yeah, I can probably maybe even get to like 12%. We'll see. Or 12R, however you want to put it. Oh yeah, I go for at least 10, which I usually get. Yeah, if you can make a nice solid 10 reward per week, you're doing pretty good. And it's not that hard either. Go for like 2 to 5 per day. You'll have a couple losses here and there, and you should end up with 10. So like I said, if the dollar is following a logical pattern, then this trade will go through with no issue. I'd say it's a pretty high chance. Yeah, I usually go for 3. I just can't go for 3 on this particular trade. There's usually not so much news at like 5:30 concerning the dollar, and then we got this time change thing going on. So like for the next 2 weeks, it's gonna be kind of slim pickings in the market, which is fine. You can still, I'm still up anyway. It hasn't affected me that much. My win rate is like 70% right now. So I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, I'm keeping my eye on these yen pairs too. Might be something there later. I don't see anything here. Yeah, I don't see much else. So if this trade fails here, I'll probably not take any more trades. I don't see anything today. it's one of those rare days where there's like nothing to do. Yeah, it's possible the dollar goes up instead. So if that's the case, I'll just take my loss. And that'll be it for today. I'm not gonna keep trying to pull trades out of there's nothing there. I mean, yeah, this might be it here. Let's see. Am I still trading the same patterns? Yeah, I still trade the same patterns. Actually removed the head and shoulders as a pattern and just demoted it down to like something to know about, but I don't use it as an actual pattern to trade off of anymore. So it's just consolidation breakout, consolidation, trend continuation, EMA pullback, retrace, double top, engulfing top, parabolic top. Is that 7? So yeah, 7 patterns that I look out for. No more head and shoulders. They don't happen very often anyway, so it's kind of, there's no point to be thinking about it. You're not going to see them that much. Okay. Oof. Everything's chopping around. Goodness gracious. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Man. Everything is chopping around like crazy. Oof, man. Okay. Well, I haven't gotten swung out of my trade, so that's good. It's definitely not looking too great though. Okay. Well, I finally did get swung out of my EGBP. Okay. Man. Alrighty. Alright, so this trade is out now. Not surprising. But I am still in here. For now. 6:30 p.m. over here. That's like 17 hours. Something like that. Okay. Well, I haven't gotten swung out of this trade yet, so that's a good sign. Okay. That was a lot of craziness right there. Wow, this ended up going way up. But still not anything there to trade. I wouldn't go long on this either. Yeah, there's just like nothing to trade. So yeah, I'll stay in this one. What's going on with our yens? Yeah, they should continue going up, but you got this level that you got to break through here. So if they break past that level, it'll probably continue going up. Not a great trade, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Yeah, I think this is the only one I'm interested in actually taking. So I'll give this a little bit more time here. Okay. Actually, might even get a short opportunity here. It's not the best trade ever, but I'll keep an eye on it. If it starts looking good, I'll possibly get into that one too. Our trade here is looking pretty good. Wish I could go for 3 here, but I can't do it. I gotta cut it at that level down there. Too risky to go for more, but this should work. Yep. Yeah, possible short here. Yeah, definitely don't recommend taking too many trades today. It's super choppy and all over the place. Okay, this one's gonna take some time to form anything. Let's see. Yeah, if I lose this trade here, I'll probably be done for the day. I don't see much else going on. Yeah, this should work. It might just take forever. Might take up to a couple of hours for it to go through. Oh, that's what I meant to do. So let's actually look at the news for the next couple of days. I'm hoping that it's not going to be like this. Yeah, kind of heavy tomorrow too. Kind of heavy on Friday. Man. Yeah, it's like a abnormal amount of news. Goodness gracious. Next Friday is like damn near untradeable. Man. Crazy amount of news. Yeah. Yeah, you have to look at the restrictions. I don't like trading news personally. I just avoid whenever there's, especially like multiple red news. I try to just stay completely out of the market. It's very easy to get swung out of your trades with those big news announcements. And a lot of people don't take trades before those announcements too. So it's just bad all across the board. So maybe if I get like a double top here, I'll take a short. Yeah, it looks like I might lose my UCAD here. So that kind of sucks, but not too surprising. Yeah, today's not a great trading day. But at least tomorrow there's no heavy news, so tomorrow should be much easier. I'm not expecting to get much out of this today. Oh, the EGBP from yesterday. Yeah, it got stopped out. So still up though. Still up from yesterday. Still a profit overall. One win, one loss. Okay, yeah. Looks like I'll get swung out of this one. Yeah. So if this breaks through here, if this breaks through right here, then that means I'll probably get swung out of my trade. But if it puts in like a big heavy green bar, I might even take a long on this one. It's very, very, very choppy today. Okay. Yeah, the only other thing I might do is take a short here. Yeah, I think that's the only other trade I'm looking at here. Yeah, other than that, that's gonna be it really. Take this short here maybe, and let that UCAD trade play out. And that is probably going to be it. Oh, am I gonna take this long? Let's see. A little bit risky, but I could also take a long here. Might be a little bit too risky. Yeah, days like today, there's very little to choose from. So you want to not take as many trades because it's a day where you could run into a lot of losses. There's no real clear direction. And you got the like double open thing going on. Had like a light open at midnight, and then you got the actual open at 1 a.m. So it's kind of throwing everybody off. Then you got all this news. It's just kind of bad conditions to be trading in. Okay. Okay, I am actually gonna take this short here. EGBP. Okay. All right, I did end up taking another trade here. Okay. So another kind of small trade. Yeah, it looks like my UCAD is gonna get swung out here. So oh, uh-oh. Maybe not. Oh, I might have got saved here. The Forex gods have smiled upon me. It'd be nice if both of these went through. That'd be a pretty good day. This one here. I just believe it's an overextended move on the hourly chart and the 15-minute. It is a little shallow on the 15. This is the move that was supposed to be a short from yesterday. So I think it's just an overextended move up on the hourly chart. Big engulfing move. Yeah. Not a great like A+ trade or anything. And like I was saying, that's probably the last one I take for today. Today's gonna end up messing me up if I take a bunch of trades, so I think it's just gonna be those two. And I'm actually still in this one here. Oh, why not go for 3? I think 3 is too greedy. Yeah, 3 is too greedy on this one. You can go for 2 though. It might go 3. Yeah, I'm only gonna go for 2. You could try for 3 though. I think 3 is a little bit greedy. The EGBP typically you'll go for 2 reward on this pair. This was the same move that I tried yesterday. It just went up a little further than I thought it would. So this is just the same move that took yesterday. Heavy downtrend. It should continue down for a little bit more. The EGBP and the odd NCD. Sometimes I'll take trades that, like the one from yesterday, the odd NCD long that I took yesterday that ended up going through. It didn't even look right on the chart, but I knew it would work. These 2 pairs are just kind of weird like that. You'll get used to them. If you trade these 2 pairs long enough, you'll start figuring out how they move. So I have faith in this move here. Just like that one from yesterday, it took multiple hours. multiple hours to go through. Okay. So I might actually get both of these. Make sure to hit the like button if you're enjoying the stream. Hopefully the music sounds good. I can't really hear it, but I can see that it's playing. Okay. Cool. So I didn't get swung out of my first trade, and it's looking like it might actually end up going through. So that's great. All right, so my 2 trades are looking pretty good. Righty. Yeah, I think at least one of these should go through, if not both. Hopefully both. I think every day this week I took 2 trades. 1 goes through and 1 fails. So I've ended up being up each day, but it's not by much. So I would like a 4 reward, 5 reward day. This is 4, I think, that I have so far. If both of these go through. Yeah, these are gonna take forever. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna move this stop up a little bit. And yeah, looks like I'm gonna lose my UCAD. Yeah, this one's probably gonna fail, unfortunately. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. I'm still in there. Hasn't failed yet. Still in there so far. Oof. Yes, do not take a lot of trades today, folks. This choppy mess. Sloppy and choppy. I don't know if you heard that. Reckless driving going on outside. Yeah, this is a choppy mess. These would be the this would be the only two trades I take today. It's just all over the place. It's almost like a holiday. That's how the market's moving today. Super choppy. All over the place. Yeah. Okay. Some miracle I'm still in this trade here. I'll be lucky if it ends up not failing. So yeah, it's looking like another 50-50 day. Probably win my other one and then lose this one. So I'm moving up, but very slowly this week. Hasn't been too many good trade opportunities. Let's see, I failed this one. Nah. Still in it. Barely. Yeah, this probably fail. Stop clinging onto the hope for this one. Oh, I had my stop loss a little higher, that's why. Yeah, I'm still in there. was like 0.2 pips. Oh man. Barely. Well, let me move this stop on here where I actually have it. How close it came. But I still think it's gonna fail anyway. But I won't mess with it. I'll let it run. Still a chance that it actually goes through. Yeah. Yeah, this is the type of day where almost like shouldn't take any trades. Just wait for tomorrow for it to be a clear day. This is like planning a trip to the water park on a day where it's a 50% chance of rain. Not a good idea. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Well, I'm still in there. Still in there. Still in both of them. Okay. So there's no point in me sitting here watching these. It's gonna be chopping around. I think I'll win at least one of them. If not both. The UCAD one might fail. This one should probably go through though. So yeah, I got this EGBP short, and I got this UCAD short here. Those are my two trades for today. I don't feel that this is a good day to be trading, so I'm not gonna sit here and. Oh wait a minute, we still got 5 minutes before the actual open. Okay, I'll stay for that. See what ends up happening there. Whew, man. All right, so I'll stay for the the London Open. I'll be right back though. Oh. Okay. Wow. I really got saved by those. Man. Okay. Got about a minute and 20 seconds. Just want to see what ends up happening here. And then I am going to head to sleep. Let's see what happens for the real open. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This choppy mess of a day might end up being good. All right. Got 30 seconds. Okay, here we go. Here's the London Open. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be one of those days where I just let these bad boys run while I sleep. I'm not gonna sit here and watch this. It's not doing anything that it's supposed to be doing. Look at this. Man. Okay. All right, so I'll call it a night there. These are the two trades I'm still in. Got this EGBP short. Got this UCAD short. This one I'm a little worried about, but the EGBP short looks pretty solid, I would say. So yeah, choppy day. I wouldn't recommend taking many trades, if any at all. It just looks very unstable. Got big news coming up in about 4.5 hours. So I wouldn't recommend taking too many trades today. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed the stream. Pretty short one today. I will see you guys tomorrow at 11:30 West Coast time. Later.